Hello viewers, in this video we will see auto-generate question paper QPG system, a Python Excel interface, a real-world project now running successfully since 2023. Part 1 video is about the project demonstration. Now, abstract. Some institutions are still in the practice of preparing question paper manually, which is laborious and requires a lot of time. So, this motivated us to do this project. This project is developed using Python programming language, which aims to eliminate intensive manual work and also saves time by automating internal question paper generation. Input. The input to this project or system are Excel files, which are nothing but question banks. Output. So the output generated by the systems are Excel files with the QP extension. These Excel files are question papers. That means the system generates question paper with with the QP extensions. Python library modules tools used to develop this project: Auto-py-to-exe, OS Python module, random Python module, Auto-py-to-exe tool. We will discuss all of this in our later videos. So, part 2 video is on OS module, part 3 video is on Auto-py-to-exe tool, part 4 video is on Open-py-excel library, part 5 video is on Python code explained. All of the video links will be given in the description of this video. Now, question bank formats, mid 1 or cycle test 1. So, mid 1, cycle test 1 is an internal assessment. After analyzing the question bank formats for mid 1 and mid 2, for mid 1 or cycle test 1, we have found 64 mid 1 descriptive question bank formats. We will try to understand what are these formats, how we got 64 as this number, and objective question bank format. So what are these question bank formats? Come, we will understand these formats. So let me click the link now. So here we can find the two folders: mid 1 question bank, mid 2 question banks. Now let me double click mid 1 question bank folder. So these are the set of question bank formats or question bank patterns. Now let me click on this first Excel file. So let me reduce the size. See, this is objective questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, up to 40. Up to 40 objective questions, OBJ, and DES, descriptive questions. These are the descriptive questions. Unit 1, so question number 1 has subdivisions A, B, C, D, E, each 2 marked. Let me show. And you can see here in this we have question number 1 A, B, C, D, E, each 2 marks. Now you can see question number 2, unit 2, question number 2 has 5 subdivisions A, B, C, D, E, each 2 marks. You can see here question number 2 has 5 subdivisions A, B, C, D, E, each 2 marks. Next, you can see here unit 1, question number 3, 4, 5. Question number 3 has 2 subdivisions A and B, each 5 mark. Question number 4, subdivision A and B, each 5 mark. Question number 5, no subdivision, 10 mark. You can see in this analysis. So question number 3 has subdivision, serial number 5. If you look at the serial number 5, 3AB, 4AB, question number 5 is full mark, no subdivision. I'll repeat, question number 3 has subdivisions A and B, question number A has subdivision A and B, question number 5 no subdivision. So question number 5 no subdivision, 3 has subdivision, 4 has subdivision. Coming to unit 2, question number 6, 7, 8. Question number 6, 2 subdivisions A and B, each 5 marks. Question number 7 has subdivisions A and B, each 5 mark. Question number 8 also has subdivisions A and B, each 5 mark. So we'll see in the analysis part, you can see here 6. You can see serial number 8. 6 has subdivision AB, 7 has subdivision AB, 8 has subdivision AB. So for question number 3, 4, 5, there are 8 possibilities with the subdivisions or without subdivisions. Similarly, for question number 6, 7, 8, there are 8 possibilities with the subdivision or without subdivisions. So 8 into 8, 8 into 8, this is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 possibilities. And question number 6, 7, 8, there are 8 possibilities. So 8 into 8, 64. So 64 patterns, different patterns or formats are available or possibilities are there. So you can see just now we saw objective questions. There are 40 questions, 40 objective questions. So next we will close this one and see another. I'll open another question bank. So let me reduce the size. So this objective question has 40 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, so on up to 40 questions, 40 objective questions. Next, click here, DES descriptive. So this again has question number 1, A, B, C, D, E. Question number 2 has A, B, C, D, E. Question number 3 has A, B. Question number 4 has AB subdivision. Question number 5, no subdivision. Let us come to 6th. 6th has AB subdivision. 7th AB subdivision. There is no subdivision for 8th. So there is no subdivision for 8th. There is no subdivision for 8th. So no subdivision for 8th. So 6 has subdivision A and B. 7 has subdivision A and B. Whereas 8th no subdivision. Serial number 5. Serial number 5. So that is the difference between different question bank patterns. So you can see here. So question number, I'll open once. So this has no subdivision. Question number 8 has no subdivision. This is for CS2 format. CS2. CS stands for communication system. Format 2. 1, 2, 3 indicates different formats. So format 2, I'll show you one more. CS1. So you can see here CS1. This is CS1. CS1 which has, so question number 8. Question number 8 has subdivision. And you can see here question number CS2. CS2, question number 8, no subdivision. So likewise we can have different formats as I mentioned here. So as I mentioned here, so there are how many possible? So there are 8 possibilities for question number 3, 4 and 5 and 8 possibilities for question number 7, 6, 7 and 8. So totally there are 64 formats. So this is the understanding of formats, different question bank formats. We will now show you the demonstration of this project for mid 1 cycle test 1 question bank formats. Step 1, remove old Excel files from the PJ folder or save these Excel files in some other folder if any. So this is the PJ folder. Double click. So we have some Excel files, old Excel files. Remove all these files. Remove all these files. So let us check. So this folder is empty now. Next, step 2, copy new question bank Excel files in PJ folder. So question banks. So mid 1 question bank. Double click. So select all. Copy. Paste. Paste in PJ folder. Third step, now double click QPG icon available on the desktop to run the application. So this is QPG icon. Double click on this. Wait for a minute. So it has given some display. So the college XYZ is a dummy name for the engineering college. Similarly, DEHLE, the place is also a dummy place. So some engineering college, XYZ Engineering College, Delhi, Department of Exam Section, Internal Exam Question Paper Generation System. So this software is developed by P. Julian, Associate Professor. For any inquiry and technical support, please contact. Email ID is given, phone number is given. Warning, this system has issued a warning. Make sure that old files are moved to some other folder or removed from the current folder. So we have done that procedure. Now next we will see step 4, enter the password. So we will enter the password. Enter. So it says password successful, please wait, processing. Number of files for processing 16. Number of files for processing is 16. Processing is going on. Please wait, processing. So we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, it is done now. So the list of files generated by this system is 16. The list of files generated by this system is 16. You can see here QP, -QP, all are -QP. QP means question paper. QP stands for question paper. It is finished. So now it is given a message. Now go to D drive PJ folder. Now this PJ folder has files with the QP extension. These files are question papers. Take printouts. Press any key to exit. So now we'll go to PJ folder. See PJ folder. Go to PJ folder. So you can see here QP. These are all question papers. So these are all set of question papers. So total files are 32. So input files are 16 and additional 16 files generated by the system with the QP extension. QP. So total number of files are 32. Now we will go to the next step. Step Step 5 is now go to PJ folder to view the list of question papers. Excel files with QP extension. These are question papers. So let us now go to PJ folder. So PJ folder. So this is the PJ folder. Double click. So hyphen QP, hyphen QP, hyphen QP, all these files with hyphen QP, QP means question paper, are question papers, are question papers. Without hyphen QP, they are question banks. So totally there are 32 items generated, 32 files in this folder, Now let us try to open this and see the difference between question paper and question bank. So the system selects randomly the questions from question bank and prepares question paper. Let me first open the question bank. So this is question bank. So without QP extension, this is the question bank. So question number 1A, list the features of op-amp. What about in question paper? We see this is the question paper, corresponding question paper. Double click. So this is the same file with the QP extension, but this is the question paper. So you can see the difference between these two. See here, this is question bank. So LDICA 5 is a question bank, and this is question paper. LDICA 5 QP extension is a question paper. You can see here, left hand side, right hand side, there are two sets of question paper. So part A 5 into 2 10 mark. Here right hand side, part A 5 into 2 10 mark. So this is the question paper, and this one is question bank. This one is a question bank. So in question bank, we have 1A, list the features of op-amp. What about in question paper? In question paper 1A, list the AC characteristics of op-amp. Questions are different. List the AC characteristics of op-amp. Here in question bank, it is features of an op-amp. So questions are different. So our system randomly selects questions from the question bank and prepares question paper. Next we will move on to question 2 here. Question 2A, question bank. In question bank, question 2A, what are the basic requirements of an instrumentation amplifier? What about in question paper? In question paper 2A, list the features of op-amp. So questions are different here. So what I mean to say is the system selects the questions from the question bank randomly and prepares question paper. Now we will move on to part B. So question number 3, A and B, two subdivisions are there. Question number 3, A and B, two subdivisions are there. This is question number 3 in question paper. It is in question paper. And let me read the question for you. Explain the DC characteristics of an op-amp. Question A. B. Compare the ideal and practical op-amp parameters. What about in question bank? So in question bank, this is question bank. Question number 3. So question number 3, explain the functional block diagram. Give the classification of IC. So questions are different. So let me show you. Explain the DC characteristics of an op-amp. 3A. In question bank, question number 3A is explain the functional block diagram of the operational amplifier. Whereas 3B is give the classification of ICs. What about in question paper? In question paper, it is 3B is compare the ideal and practical op-amp parameters. So likewise, if you see question number 4, A and B, questions are different. So explain about op-amp internal circuit diagram, draw the pin diagram. So question 4, question paper, this is question paper. In question bank, question 4 is different. Explain DC characteristics, compare ideal and practical op-amp. Now let us move to question 5. Question 5 is explain about op-amp internal circuit diagram, draw the pin diagram. This is question 5. What about in question paper? In question paper, question number 5 is with a neat sketch explain the operation of instrumentation amplifier. Question is different. What about question 6? In question paper, with a neat sketch explain the operation of op-amp integrated circuit. This is from the question paper. What about question bank? So question bank, question number 6 is different. Explain how op-amp is used as differentiator. Draw an op-amp summing amplifier circuit and an expression for the output. So question number 6 has subdivision A and B. What about here? In question paper, there is no subdivision. It is a 10-mark question. In question paper, it is a 10-mark question. Whereas in question bank, question number 6 has two subdivision A and B, each with mark 6 mark and 4 mark. So this is how our system randomly selects questions from the question bank and prepares question paper. This is about descriptive. Let us see about the objective. So this is question bank. How many questions are there? 40 questions are there. 40 questions are there in question bank, 40. What about in question paper? So in question paper, go to OBJ. Here click this OBJ objective. We have 20 questions. 20 questions. So the QPJ system randomly selects 20 questions from the question bank and prepares the question paper. That's all about the format 1. Mid 1 format 1. We will next see mid 2 formats and its demonstration. Now we will summarize question bank formats and question paper. So in question bank, this is question bank without QP extension. So unit 1 and unit 2, only there are two units, unit 1 and unit 2. Unit 1, question number 1, A, B, C, D, E. Unit 2, question number 2, A, B, C, D, E. So again unit 1, this is descriptive, 3, 4, 5. So unit 1 has 3 questions, 3, 4, 5. Unit 2 has 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. So unit 2 has 6, 7, 8. So now unit 1 has 3, 4, 5, 3 questions. Unit 2 also has 3 questions, 6, 7, 8. So what about in question paper? So in question paper, this is question paper QP. So this is question paper QP. You can see here, this question paper has two parts. Part A, 5 into 2 mark, 5 into 2. So this is question number 1, A, B, C, D, E, or 1 or 2. Question number 1 or question number 2. So question number 2 is again having subdivision A, B, C, D, E. Coming to part 2, part B. This is part A, this is part B. So in part B, it is question number 3 or question number 4. This is from unit 1, and from unit 2, question number 5, question number 6. So this is the description of question paper. So I repeat. So question paper has two parts. Part A, question number 1, A, B, C, D, E from unit 1. Question number or, this is choice is there. This is a choice, or you can write question number 2, A, B, C, D, E. This is part 1. You can write either question number 1 or question number 2. In part B, it is question number 3 or question number 4. And for that is from unit 1. From unit 2, question number 5 or question number 6. So this is the summary of question bank and question paper. You can see question bank has totally 6 questions. Unit 1 has 3 questions, 3, 4, 5. Unit 2 has additional 3 questions, 6, 7, 8. So out of 6 questions, 4 questions are randomly chosen, selected, and question paper is prepared. Now we'll move on to the next part, that is question bank formats for mid 2 or cycle test 2. So after analyzing mid to descriptive question bank formats, how many are there? 512 possibilities are there, and objective questions bank. So we'll see what is that now. So this is mid to question bank. We'll try to understand these formats. So this is mid two. So you can see here mid two, mid two, mid two, mid two. So what is the what is the difference between mid one and mid two question bank format? We'll see the format now. So in this we can see objective questions. Let me reduce the size. So objective questions in question bank. Objective questions are 40. 40 questions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 40. Up to 40. 40 objective questions are there. OBJ. In again we have descriptive DES. So in DES, so in mid 2, this is mid 2. In mid 2 there are 3 units. Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. So I repeat. So in Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, 3 units are there, whereas in mid 1 there are only 2 units, Unit 1 and Unit 2. Now question bank. So question number 1, A, B, C, D, E. For Unit 4, question number 2, Unit 4, question number 2, A, B, C, D, E, subdivision. Question number, Unit 5, from Unit 5, question number 3, A, B, C, D, E. All are 2 mark, questions. Now coming to descriptive part again, more than 2 mark. Unit 3 has 3 questions, 4, 5, 6. Unit 4 has 3 questions, 7, 8, 9. Unit 5 has 3 questions, 10, 11, 12. So this is the question bank format for mid 2. We will see now. So in this, next you can see, so total formats. This is 64 mid 1 question bank formats. These are 512 totally 576 question bank formats for mid 2. This is for mid 2. Next we will see the analysis of this. So we will see the analysis of this. So we can see here question number Unit 3, 4, 5, 6. One second. So Unit 3 has 4, 5, 6. So 8 possibilities are there. This is for mid 2 or cycle test 2 question bank format. So each unit 3 has question 1 with A, B, C, D, E. Unit 4, this is A, B, C, D, E with subdivision. Unit 5, this is question number 3, A, B, C, D subdivision. Again Unit 3, this is for 5 mark or 10 mark question. 4, 5, 6 without subdivision. 4A, 4B subdivision. 5 and 6 no subdivision. Likewise we have 8 possibilities of questions for Unit 3. Similarly for Unit 4, 7, 8, 9. 7A, 7B with subdivision. question number 8 and question number 9 no subdivision. There are 8 possibilities. Similarly here, similarly for Unit 5, question number 10, 11 and 12. So we have with and without subdivision, there are 8 possibilities are there. So 8 into 8 into 8. So how many are there? 8 into 8 into 8, 512 patterns. So that is 512 patterns are there. 8 possibilities. So 8 is 512 patterns, question bank patterns for mid 2. So now we will see the demonstration for mid 2 cycle test 2 question bank. Now demonstration for mid 2 or cycle test 2 question bank formats. Step 1, remove old Excel files from the PJ folder or save these Excel files in some other folder if any. Let me click D drive. So this is PJ folder. Double click. So old files we have to remove. So now the PJ folder is empty. This folder is empty. Now next step. Step 2. Step 2 is copy new question bank Excel files in PJ folder. So question bank mid 2 question bank. Double click. So this is mid 2. Each are mid 2, mid 2, mid 2, mid 2. So copy all this. Control C. Go to PJ folder. Paste. So there are 19 files are there. 19 files are there. So this is question bank. This is question bank. Okay. So now we will execute the program, run our application. So step 3. Now double click QPJ icon. Double click QPG icon to run the application. So this is QPG icon. Double click. Wait for a moment. So XYZ Engineering College, Delhi, Department of Exam Section, Internal Exam Question Paper Generation System. This software is developed by P. Julian, Associate Professor. For any inquiry and technical support, please contact the email ID is given. For warning, though this system has issued a warning as usual. Make sure that old files are removed to some other moved to some other folder or removed from the current folder. Now you enter the what is the next step? It is asking for password. So step 4, enter password. So enter password. JULIAN. Click. So login success. Please wait processing. How many files are there? It is processing 19 files. It is processing 19 files. The number of files processing is 19. So we are waiting for the results. Please wait 1 minute. Okay, process is finished. The process is completed. So we have 19 files. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 19. Each file is having an extension QP. These are all question paper files. So now what is next? Now go to D drive PJ folder. So this PJ folder has files with the QP extension. So these files are question papers. Take printouts. So before executing, so now the system has executed. Now we will see. So next step 5. Now go to PJ folder to view the list of question papers, that is Excel files with the -QP. Click here, double click here. One second. So we have come to the PJ folder. We have come to the PJ folder. Double click. So you can see here the QPG system has generated. So QP hyphen QP hyphen QP hyphen QP. These are all question papers, and you can see here these are question bank. Without QP are question bank. These are question banks. Okay. How many items are there now? 38. So PJ folder has now 38 files. 38 files. So we will open one question paper and see the details. So this is a question paper. Two sets are there in one A4 sheet. So part A, question number 1, A, B, C, D, E. So here also part A, A, B, C, D, E. Next is or choice is there. 2 A, B, C, D, E. 2 is A, B, C, D, E. So this is next is part B. So question number 3, question number 3 or 4. See here, question number 3 or question number 4. Each has subdivision A, B, A, B. Next coming to 5, question number 5 or question number 6. Question number 5 or question number 6. So this is the question paper. This is question paper. So how many questions are there totally? Question number 1, question number 2. This is 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5 and question number 6. 6 questions are there in question paper. So we'll see in question bank. So what about in question bank? So one second, let me reduce the size. Here, click here, descriptive question. This is question bank. So how many questions are there? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 questions are there in question bank. So that is the difference between question bank and question paper. Okay. Okay. Now, will the system work for combined mid-1, mid-2 question bank formats? Yes, we will see the demonstration for combined mid-1 and mid-2 question bank formats. Steps. Step 1, remove old Excel files from PJ folder or save these Excel files in some other folder if any. This is the PJ folder. Remove all the files. So this folder, PJ folder, PJ folder is empty. Next step, copy new question bank Excel files in PJ folder. So question banks. So mid-1, double click. I'll select few question banks. Control C. And then copy in PJ folder. So mid-1, 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 mid-1. These are all mid-1 question bank formats. So next we will copy mid-2 question bank. Select few questions. So these are all mid-2 question bank formats. Select few questions. Question bank, Control C. So paste here, Control V. So we have mid-2 question banks. These are all mid-2 question bank, and these are all mid-1 question banks. So we have combined mid-1 and mid-2 question banks in PJ folder. So this is our PJ folder. It has mid-2 question bank as well as mid-1 question bank. Now let us see whether it works or not. system of summer. Next step, now double click QPG icon, run the application. So double click QPG icon. So this is QPG icon, double click. So again, XYZ Engineering College Delhi, Department of Exam Section, Internal Question Paper, Generation Systems. This software is developed by PhD and Associate Professor. For any inquiry, technical support, contact mail ID is given. Again, it's issuing an warning. It's issuing an warning. The system is issuing an warning. Make sure that old files are moved to some other folder or removed from the current folder. Now it's asking for password. We know the password. Or so next step, step 3. So next step is enter password. So password is entered, click. So login success, please wait processing. Number of files 23. Number of files are 23. We will wait for the process to be completed. Please wait. It is processing. Our system is processing, preparing question paper from question bank. So our system is preparing question papers from question banks, both combined formats. Mid one question bank and mid two question banks are combined. So we got the results. How many files are there? So 23 files are there. All are having QP extensions. Finished. So now go to D drive PJ. This PJ folder has files with -QP extension. These files are question papers. Take printouts. So let us see what is the next step. So next step is go to PJ folder to view the list of question papers. List of question papers. So Excel files with QP extension. Double click here, click here. So PJ folder. This is PJ folder. Go here. So QP. This is for mid 2 QP, and you can see here mid 1 QP. Double click. So this is the question paper. This is the question paper, descriptive question paper, and this is objective, 20 questions. So you can minimize this one, and you can see this is for mid 1. Similarly for mid 2. So this is again question paper for mid 2. This is for mid 2. See here, mid 2. So question paper for mid 2. This is descriptive, and this is objective. Objective, 20 questions. Okay. We have come to the end of this video. Will the system work for more than 100 input files? Yes, we will see the demonstration for more than 100 input files. Step 1, remove old Excel files from the PJ folder or save these Excel files in some other folder if any. Double click on this. This is PJ folder. So delete all this. Delete previous. Delete. Go verify. This folder is empty. This folder is empty. Now next thing, step 2. Next step is copy new question bank files in PJ folder. Go to PJ folder. So sorry. Question bank, mid 1, copy all. Control C. Paste in PJ folder. So paste. So 61 files are there. All are mid 1. All are mid 1 formats. Next, go to mid 2 folder. mid to question bank, mid to question, these are all mid to question banks. Select all, Control C, go to PJ folder, paste. So there are 110 files. There are 110 files, both combined. Mid 1 as well as mid 2 files are there. Next we will see step 3. Now double click on QPG icon to run the application. So this is QPG icon, double click. Wait, it will take time. Okay. Okay, we got again the same thing. XYZ Engineering College, Delhi, Department of Exam Section, Internal Exam Question Paper Generation System. This software is developed by P. Julian, Associate Professor. For inquiry and technical support, contact. Email ID is given. It is issuing a warning as usual. Make sure that old files are removed to moved to some other folder or removed from the current folder. So we have done that process, and we have included new files. Next we have to give the password. So next we have to give the password. So step 4, enter the password. So JULIAN, enter password, run. So login success. Please wait, processing. Number of files for processing is 110. So the system as usual. Here this time we have combined mid 1 format and mid 2 formats. The number of files, question banks, the input that has been given to the QPG system is 110. Now we are waiting for the results. So please wait. So in the next video we will see OS Python module. So how we are getting the number of files 110, how we are able to list the files, all those things we'll see in the next video. So please wait, because the number of files is more than 100. It is taking time. So to summarize this video, so we have shown the demonstration for mid 1 format, and then we have shown the demonstration for mid 2 format, and then we also shown the demonstration for the combined mid 1 and mid 2 formats. So for that also this system works. And now we are showing the demonstration for more than 100 files, whether it is able to process more than 100 files or not, that we are seeing. So it is taking time. Please wait. This system is a slow configuration system. That's why it's taking time. One more minute we'll wait. So please wait, processing. So with this demonstration we have come to the end of the first video, part 1. So we got the output. We have got the output finished. So 110 files. It has processed 110 files. You can see here. So successfully completed. Number of files processing 110, successfully completed. List of files with locations. So these are the list of files. These are question paper files. These are all question paper files. So 110. So finished. Then we'll go to PJ folder. This PJ folder has the files with QP extension. These files are question paper files. Take printouts. So Alt F. Next step is go to PJ folder. So go to PJ folder. Now we'll see PJ folder. So now this PJ folder has 220 items, 220 files. Here 220 files are there. So QP means question papers. Okay. Thank you, viewers. We will see in the next video. The next video is on OS Python module. Thank you. Thank you all. Please watch part 2 video on OS Python module. Video link will be given in the description. Thank you.